Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to the family. Guys, don't forget to like up the videos, comment more than one time, and turn on the post notification bell so you can be notified every time I post a new video. Today we are going to give some trouble. Yes, me say we, me and Uno, because Uno always want to left me in this. Anyways, I'm gonna give some trouble today. So I'm back with the makeup. Sorry. So I'm gonna black up my eye. Could do it together and call. I don't know who I'm gonna call it and tell him to Jason thump me in my eye. I don't say nobody gonna believe me. Doubt it. Want it to look real as possible. No, wait, guys. I could tell me that this not do good. I'm gonna blend it out. You know, like how the MUA them blend it out. Some just come to me. MUA, a makeup artist. I think I'm the last person to know what MUA means because I don't do makeup. But just in case you don't know, that it mean because I never used to know either. Why you look like say a war me go fight? Alright. Can you want it to look? Alright, look. Let me see it from the phone. Alright. It can work. You don't want it to look too dark. So Jason upon live right now. So anybody will make a call, me have to go make them know say, oh, him do it, and then he might ignore me, him gone on live. We will make it work. So the first person who me think me want to call is Lovell. Hold on, let me drink some water. Oh God. So wait till yesterday. Let me drink water. Lovell? Yeah. He gone on live. So Jason told me I'm gone on live before I try to resolve his for live over you. Lovell, you don't want to see my eye. You don't want to see my eye. Send one picture now. Hold on. Me understand, you know, me understand Jason. Before Jason tried, you know, see what he do, you know, see, say, he improves up your hair, so. Lovell, me done with your brother, you know. Me done with him. You just tap about done. Tap your foolishness, but. Lovell, you know want to see my eye up. Lovell, if you. Let me show you my eye first. Jesus, peace of God and mercy. Jesus, peace. Let's see your eye.
sweat up, the swell up on your eye red.
No, me done with Jason. Me not nothing with Jason. Me done.
Call them and call one taxi and go down there. And he gone for life, like, me not understand that. What I'm how?
Me done.
When me and Lucy vex, me can't even camera because me I go do those here with Lucy. Me have to do video by myself with me and because we vex. So how you can't for life and feel alright, doing such in black and put your eye, and you fracture your finger. Oh God, go on your mother cool off here. Because you don't want to fear them meet again. Me not understand. You know, in a place a liar. Because if in our first place, the told you should have put in a hand on each other. That's our first thing.
Yeah, pick up for Jason or something?
No, why you wouldn't do that? Why me wouldn't do that, Andrew? And here, when I background in my life, I will tell him, I will go my life, go tell him, say, if you come off, you know?
No, don't do that. Don't do that. Jason, come here. Jason, come here. Love us, I'm if you thump your back in your eye.
We never said that, Angel. Don't do that. No.
For what?
We never said that, Jason. We just said why you thump her in her eye and then you're gone for life. We never said that.
Me thump.
I joke me make a prank your makeup.
Say to put it to your eye, them red.
No, remember say my eye hurt me from what day because I lied. For true guys, my eye red. I prank you for true.
Put it to your eye, them red for true.
Yeah, cause remember say my eye hurt me from what day, guys. Light and mash up my eye. But me can't depend on you to split justice. Me love that. But on to my next person. Me I call mommy now later. Jason gone back on life. He didn't know say me a prank you about this either. Me not tell him say me I go do the prank here. Me just do it. Alright. Alright guys. So that's Lovell's reaction. And I think me need to put a little bit more on it. Even though when me sent in a picture a while ago I did a show. And this perfect. Mommy.
Yeah. Seriously, Gugu.
Look how Jason do my eye.
Yeah.
Mommy, look up.
Let me see. Let me see. Where I see you?
Mommy, you don't see my eye.
But Jason now put your hand on you. I know that for sure.
Mommy, look at my eye. Oh, black and blue.
With makeup.
No. Me thump him and he thump me in my eye.
Let me see your next eye.
He not black because he not thump other one here.
Let me see. Oh, yeah, good look like makeup.
Me call you and tell you that Jason do this to me and see a makeup.
Oh, Jason now thumping it.
Mommy, Jason, see me eye there.
Jason, I'm not hard to believe. Honestly, no, sir. Jason now thumping it. Unless I catch you and catch you in your eye. I don't see Jason the violent person. I don't take up fame or anything, you know, but I don't see him as the type of person that will put something in your eye. I don't know. No.
Me I'm moving back down. Me I'm serious. Mommy, Jason, my mother said me thump you back in the eye. My mother said me thump you back in the eye.
No, Jason not thumping your eye.
Move from your son, man.
Me thump you back.
Move from your son, man. Move, no, man. Hey, I'm to your big head, Pitney. God.
Gugu. the makeup off of your
It's not makeup. Jesus told me, I move come.
all the years me know Jason, I mean, Jason is the person who put your hand on that woman. You
Mom.
have to jump in that car and drive away. So you can't tell me that. I lie at you. Jason not so
Mommy, when me move come in, when me move down back here, we see. Oh, or you know when me move come back in your yard.
But you can't come in here because I lie at you. Jason not doing that.
Why me can't move come back in your yard?
But see, you won't grow me yard.
Whoa.
I'm Jason not go to
No, me a prank you, but why me can't move come back in?
You won't grow me yard. You not live back with me.
Who tell her that?
I'm miserable.
Well,
You can't live with me.
alright then, you have a point. Bye. Me go call me next person. Mommy, why nobody not believe? Well, nobody believe me. You know what? No more fake balling. Well, my first fake ball did sound like how me ball in a real life. Well, both of them, I think me do. My mother gonna know that still. But I saw me cry in a real life. Probably mommy just know me. I go call Serena. I call Serena. No, me not go. I go voice call her because me don't want her to see my face when me laugh or when me turn my phone. Serena. She could believe me neither. Jesus just stumped me in my eye.
Jason not doing any please.
Bye. I go call one of Jason's friend. I go see if them bias when it comes on to Jason. So this is gonna be interesting because this is one of Jason's male friend. Roshan,
Yeah?
you busy?
But they are, I reckon, how about
You know, so Jason thumped me in my eye.
I do what I mean.
Roshan, Jason thumped me in my eye.
Me not feel like this.
Jason thumped me in my eye and gone for live. You hear me in the background?
Mm-hmm.
Roshan, look for me. Look for my eye.
If you don't call me sister, I do what I mean.
Roshan, Jason thumped me in my eye. Really I pick up for Jason?
No, me not pick up for Jason, me just shock sis.
Me should have known so me never did for call you because me know so only that pick up phone her friend.
No, sis, don't say that. You know more than never can.
You hurt me.
Yeah. Yeah, you sound like you laugh, yeah.
Roshan, me eye hurt me.
We don't calm.
Okay. Wait, I think I look like me and cry. Oh, girl. Alright. Roshan?
Sis, let me see it. Yeah.
Roshan, me not gonna me didn't know you gonna pick up for Jason. Me didn't know. Bye.
Yeah. Look here. Let me see your face, sis. Sis.
Roshan, that you care about to see my face.
Me nah can do a lot from Jason, sis. You know me nah can do a lot from Jason. I don't know Jason is the person that says so unbelievable.
You care for see my face or you care for make me feel better?
Sis.
Roshan, bye. No, bye. Goodbye.
Yeah. Jesus Christ, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. You hear me?
Yeah.
Sis.
Yeah.
When mommy knows say sometimes I love run too, so me just don't know. So me don't know if you believe, and this me don't know Jason is that type of person. Let me see your face. Let me see it good, please.
Wait, are you?
You see what? Jesus.
Bye. Me would have said that. Wait, me know I can't take me serious with my face like this. Well, I'm going for one wipes. Me would have said a prank here fail. Because everybody know me and Jason. If Melissa would have one argument now, then them probably would have believed, because you know say not every relationship argument did it. But when me say like the black and blue eye, cause you know say that's a fight, them not gonna believe. Me they kinda know so them not gonna believe, but me they just want to try it same way. For try it sake. Cause they never know what somebody's reaction would have be. I hope you enjoy it though. So me will be the first one to admit it. The prank failed. Cause nobody never believe. But guys, I hope you enjoyed this little pranky prank. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're there a long time, thanks for trod the journey with me. And before I go, thank you so much for all the love that you guys showed me on my previous video. And thank you for all the birthday wishes. Really appreciate it. I may get a whole heap of message about the Airbnb, guys. Remember to look in the description for that video, and you'll see all the information where I got the t-shirt, where I got the swimwear and the Airbnb. All that in there. Check it, guys. Check it. But all I do, alright? Guys, what we're talking in the comment section. All life a treat to know. Is it me alone? Even though I'm end off the video, but is it me alone? Like everybody, what the word me I look for? Everybody energy just, you know, low. Like even when you're happy, just when you get what me I say, somebody put it together in other words. Put it together and I'll pin it. Put it together. But everything just feels so low and it feels so slow and you know, I'm grateful, but I don't know. Probably the atmosphere, probably the food that we eat, something. I could talk. I love you guys so much. Bye.